Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from. Welcome to another presentation for you. And this is about the best practices for natural gas engine driven pump stations control upgrades. It's kind of like a mouthful, but here we go. Markel Municipal has been automating engine driven pumps for over 60 years. With our vast library of proven control strategies, solving problems, and coming up with solutions for our customers for decades, we can tailor a custom solution for the unique needs of each municipality. We understand that the needs of each flood station vary, and solutions are not one size fits all. So here's a comprehensive list of best practices for updating or upgrading the controls of a natural gas engine driven pump flood station. We start with a pre-walk as we need to assess what the station needs are prior to quoting. We will need to see the condition of conduits, look at possible modifications to the panel, check how the wires were installed, etc. We'll also need to ask questions about specific needs like mounting, battery chargers, current code standards, and more. It would be preferable if we could speak to someone who is an expert in the current equipment to make sure we get all the current information. Documented modifications to the current panel would be great to have, but we understand that is rarely the norm. Depending on the age of the current system, we always recommend to not reuse wiring or conduits and to rewire engines. This includes not connecting old wires with new wires. We also recommend shielding the spark plug wires and using stranded wires and not solid wires. Any spark plug or frequency type wiring needs to be separate from control wiring. Conduits need to be sealed from the environment, rain, etc. And AC and CDC wiring have to be separated and in different conduits. The person responsible for the success of the project should have a qualified installer, an electrician, as well as a mechanic that understands the engine systems. These people, along with an overall understanding of the station, will help to streamline the installation. While this will vary by company and quotes, our quotes, well, okay, sorry. While this will vary by company, our quotes generally include a detailed list of all the products needed, and we will also include our best practices and the sequence of operations so everything can be installed smoothly. Each part has its own instructions, and this is the reason why it's so crucial to have a qualified electrician mechanic at hand that understands the engine systems. Engine control systems in general operate from 6 to 32 volts, and people will sometimes look to use 12-volt systems to save on cost. We highly recommend a 24-volt system as this will provide more reliable operation for the station. This is due to less voltage drop during the critical starting phase. We also recommend connecting the panel directly to the battery. These batteries should have a properly sized battery charger attached to them. This is not a cheap trickle charger, but a rugged industrial charger built for a pump station environment. There are several decent brands, and we can help recommend something if you need help. Using innovative technology can save money in the long run and can provide efficiency and performance, especially during natural disasters and emergencies of all kinds. Taking the time to do it right before there's an emergency is the best insurance for the times when you need it. We're with you every step of the way, making sure your installation is perfect and that you understand all the benefits of your new system from day one. You can contact us at any time for support. For more information, you can email us at sales@morcal.com or call us at 661-272-4700. You like this video? We would appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and comment your thoughts below. We'd love to hear from you.